Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the MotoGP 25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your weather condition within your races on the MotoGP 25 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up MotoGP 25 on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you may start from various different race modes to begin riding right away. Now, before you start your races, you will see the riders, tracks, and the race settings option. Just go into the race settings menu, and now you can find your weather conditions. You can choose between clear, cloudy, rainy, and wet conditions. Just select your desired mode, and then you can go back to save your changes. The weather mode that you have selected will also be shown on the home screen before you go into the ride section. You can make the changes at any point of time by going into race settings and the weather conditions. After making your selection, you can just start your race by going into the start option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to choose your desired weather conditions on the MotoGP 25 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.